Hi everyone, welcome to another Married to Reselling video. We are Faye and Simon. We buy and sell, mainly buy from charity shops and auctions, and sell online, mainly on eBay, Amazon and a little bit of Etsy. We've got an interesting video for you today. We are going to the auction. So it's Saturday today and we visited our auction yesterday to do a little recce and see what they've got, and then we've been bidding today on some of the interesting items. I was bidding a little bit this morning. I was just putting in low bids for stuff. I don't want to go crazy, just looking for little gems, and I didn't win anything. And there were some snowboarding helmets that retail for around £12. There was 8 in a box. They were brand new. They had about 6 boxes. And you know, my bid would have been really low, just paying sort of £1 or 2 an item. The auctioneer started them at £40. It was just crazy. So whoever's buying them, good luck to them. And then we bid on a few things sort of together. We let stuff pass by. It was going for too much. The problem at the moment this time of year in January is the buyers are still there, but the stock's not there from the retailers and what have you. So you know, it's too early. They need to sort out their Christmas clear outs. So next few weeks should be better. Anyway, I popped off for a shower and came back, and Faye told me we are going out. So usually we would get the invoice on a Saturday afternoon around tea time, and then we'd go and pick up our winnings on a Monday or a Tuesday. However, I came back from the shower and Faye is very excited to tell me that we're going out now to grab lots of bags. I haven't seen the invoice. We're going to go and pay now. I have no idea how much Faye's spent. Basically everything changed in the space of sort of 10 minutes from winning one thing which Faye bid on accidentally, to all of a sudden sounds like we're coming home with a car full. So let's see what we got. Thank you very much. Cheers. Yeah. Right, we've just been to the reception desk. We've paid. Smile.
I'm smiling. You just can't see.
It's full to the brim. Falling out. It wouldn't fit in the car.
Well, out of how many lots did we get?
7.
7 lots. 6 lots are in the car. 1 lot we've got to come back for on Monday.
Yeah. Thoughts? My
thoughts, I'm really pleased. Simon was a bit shocked to the core, but got enough to be getting on with.
We've got 25 bag for life, like the big ones, full, squished down, full of clothing. So yeah, plenty to be getting on with.
Loads, most of it I think is newer tags.
Isn't it funny as well how in a lot of our recent videos you've been saying how you hate selling clothing?
I do hate selling clothing, I do. However, if they're all like cost me £1 an item and I can sell them for 15, 20,
yeah, then
I'm loving life.
So what do we think? That maybe 20% of it will sort of sell individually? So like a few things that you spotted, like there was some sort of Joe Brown's brand new tags, yeah, and other things. So if sort of 15 to 20%, 10 to 20% even can be sold individually for, £10-15 profit, and then the rest we will be bundling up most likely,
yeah,
into
bundles.
Sort of bundles of like 10 to 15 items for whatever. We'll have to sort of sit down and work out the way it would need to work financially.
Yeah, and also like whether we would do it in sizes or just job lots, or I haven't decided yet. What I want to do is get this home, and count how many items I've got, and at the same time as counting the number of items, I want to sort of have a look and see what I've got and create piles. So there'll be a pile for like list on its own straight away, there'll be piles for maybe straight away, I know that's for a bundle, and then maybe ones that I've got to research. But because we cross list now to Depop and Vinted with clothing, I'm confident that we should do well.
How you doing?
Okay, got my girl.
What have you found?
This says that something made as Italy. Rather than made in Italy.
Made as Italy.
I found loads of Next brand new with tags. I've got Joe Brown's brand new with tags. I've got a lot of Capsule brand new with tags, which is okay. Jack Jones coat brand new with tags. I've got a load of Sheen Shine stuff. I was just looking at solds. People from America are selling like bundles of all this stuff in these bags for a bit of money.
Okay.
I've got hoodies, I've got jackets, I've got Marks and Spencer stuff, I've got silk, don't know much about silk. I've got some stuff sort of mass produced, sort of.
What the hell is that?
Yeah, horrible. So this is my pile of what I'm going to bundle.
Oh, okay. And how much for that little one there?
Oh, she's priceless.
Yay.
Yo. So the bag of accessories that we got cost £22.56 all in. I picked out what I want to list, of which there are 12 items, and then there's 35 items back in the bag that I'll list as a bundle. So counting the bundle as one, it works out £1.74 an item.
Cool.
So that's good. And then in these bags is a total of 83 items that I want to list.
Nice.
And then I will be sorting like all the to me stuff out once I've got the whole load of it.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Nice.
But I've got brand new. We've got Hugo Boss. We've got few brand new with tags with fish. Gudrun, Sweaty Betty, Next, Marks and Spencer's. Got a vintage dress that some of them are going for about £200.
Did I hear you say Fred Perry? Or?
Oh, got brand new tags Fred Perry. Got North Face jumper. We've got Capsule. We've got Joe Brown's. We've got Mistral. And these are all brand new tags, things that I'm just remembering off the top of my head.
Hey.
Hey. You alright?
Wow. Yes. What's the latest?
The latest is I've got a lot of Sheen Shine to bundle. I've got the number 37 in my head.
Okay, 37. Wow, that's nice. Is that for Halloween?
Yeah. Cross my mind. I don't even know what it is. Right.
Looks like what the demon was wearing in
That film.
Countdown last night. The film.
Not the game show.
No.
So I've got. Right. Could you move those two bags over there? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 33, 34. So we've got 34 Sheen Shines at the moment.
So all of those bags is stuff that's been sold individually, and that was what, 257 or something, did you say?
I said, I just now I've got to recalculate. Hang on. 266.
So 266.
Yeah.
266 individual items there, and then this pile here, which is all going to go into bundles. Good work. Anything you'd like to say to your supporters?
Thanks for your support.
Well, it's Monday morning now and I'm back off to the auction. We couldn't get all of the pallets, so I'm going back for one more. We ran out of bags, ran out of like bags for lives that we've filled up. So I've just bought bin bags. Nice and simple. Going to fill up the bin bags, take them back to Faye. Faye has finished sorting the first 2 pallets and just going to do the third one. Then we can do a proper full count on what we've got individually and what we've got to bundle, work out the cost prices from there, work out our selling prices and potential profit at that point, just to make sure that we're you know, steering in the right direction in terms of pricing. Just going to grab it now, take it home and we'll see what we got. Oh, picked it up, now I've got to bag it up. Here it is. Just filled up 3 big bin bags. Still got more to go, but I've got to get this back to the car and come back for the rest. That's what it looks like so far. Five big bags. Looking forward to getting back and Faye giving it a sort out. Alright, do you want to give us an update then? How's it all going?
Well, I don't know if you can see this big mountain here. That is a bin liner full that I've photographed this afternoon. I've also listed 8 or 9 items this morning, which I then cross-listed to Depop and Vinted. So these are getting listed tonight and tomorrow. That tub, that's listed, so that's like everything that's listed so far. Number of items are sold, so...
It's about 50 items in there then, including sales, isn't it?
Yeah, I should think so, because we've had quite a few sales out of there on eBay, Depop and Vinted, so happy about that. I've got one thing that's still got an electric tag on it, so I need to get a magnet. I'm guessing my dad's got one because you said you haven't. Only a fridge magnet. So I'm going to get him to sort that out, because that's a nice bomber jacket. Yeah, just sort of looking through my figures really.
Yeah.
So in total, there's 363 items I reckon that I can list individually. There's 55 Shine items, which I'm going to do as some kind of bundle. Don't know whether all together or if I'll split the bundles down. Haven't decided yet. And then 114 other bundle items. So that's 532
items. 532 total items.
So we spent £1,043.40, which works out 196 an item. And I reckon I've got 169 bundle items, 363 individual items, and with the bundles I'm going to sort of aim to sell at about $19.99, maybe more, but if I sell them at $19.99, 16 of them, and then that's 10 items in a bundle, and then if I do a 9 item bundle at $17.64, minus fees, that's £288 back.
Yeah.
And then so that leaves me £755 to get back. But if I list 10 items at £50 plus, another 10 between £40 and £50, 20 between £30 and £40, 60 items between £20 and £30, 200 items between £10 and £20, and 63 items between £0 and £10. That brings in, after fees and post, £3,283.
When you say 0 and 10, I suppose you just mean under 10.
Yeah, under 10, yeah.
Yeah.
So, like trebling on money. In this pile, for example, I've got, I'd say 75 to 80%, maybe more actually, is brand new with tags. I've got a vintage Disney t-shirt here. It's a Dick Tracy one. But I've got brand new tags with Ireland, H&M. I've got some Marks and Spencer's, like 3 or 4 pairs of Marks and Spencer's trousers in here. I've got all sorts.
Yeah. Well, I won't rock it all up.
No, Dorothy Perkins.
So that's going in that empty tub there, isn't it? So that's in effect sort of tub 2.
Tub 2. So yeah, when I've so they're all photographed. I've got to cut out the images in a big batch on Photo Rooms, which is the app I use. I love it. It's brilliant. I pay for it. Pay a fee every the annual fee, and it's just so worth it. So then I will upload. I'll like create a draft on eBay for each one and just add the pictures, and then I'll go back in on my laptop and create the listing and add the measurements. And then they'll get bagged up, labelled, put in that tub. And then the SKU on my eBay listing will say tub 2 or pallet 2 or whatever relating to that tub, so we know where to look when something sells.
No.
Yeah, but some stuff hasn't even made it into the tubs, so sold so quickly. Like that regatta jacket we posted today, that sold within hours.
Nice.
So anyway, do you want to see upstairs? Do you want to see upstairs?
Yes, we do.
Are you ready?
Yeah, you had really red eyes then. Scary.
Okay. This is where the magic happens. Right, so I haven't put them in a bag yet, but down here are a load of Sheen Shine items.
So that's more bundle fodder.
Yeah, and there's a bag there with Sheen Shine items.
Are we going Sheen Shine? Sheen Shine? Yeah. Shine Sheen.
Sheen Shine.
Sheen Shine.
These 3 bin liners here are bundle items, so they will be dealt with and put into bundles of like 10 items or whatever.
So with that lot.
Yeah.
And the bag down there somewhere. Yeah.
Yeah. So this floral number here is Levi's hoodie and everything underneath. This bin liner, this bag, 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 and all the bags under here.
And all the bags under there.
Yeah. They're all individual items that are going to be listed individually. So like, I've got my Hugo Boss pants, but I think I've shown you those earlier. But we've got, must be something good I can show you. There will be. What's this? Polka dot number. Lady vintage dress. Some like Gildan Adidas, but not Adidas. Sort of like meme t-shirt. Dressing gowns. There's Lucy and Yak in here. There's ASOS. There's River Island. There's H&M. There's Weird Fish, Crew, loads of stuff in here. What do you reckon? Have I done a good job so far?
Yeah. Get that mountain down. Obviously we could kind of keep adding to this video, but
I could go on about it for ages. There's so much.
There's another sort of 500 items to list, so we'll end the video there. If you liked it, please hit the like button. Our last video did so well. I think we said please 4 times, so I'm gonna do 5 for this one.
Please.
Please hit the like button. Yes, we'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. We've got plenty to do. There it is. Bye for now.
Bye.